Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, October 17th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin to Tether at the daily time frame chart on the Zondacrypto exchange. So what do we have here is like a typical Japanese candlestick charts. We can see clearly that the green is the up candle, red is the down candle. Our particular attention comes straight on towards this candle here, the yesterday's candle that allegedly were made after the fake news was released over the social media related to the Bitcoin ETF spot acceptance, right? So as soon as the market jumped towards the level of almost 30,000 tethers, 29,887. Very soon afterwards, the market moved lower. You can see much more details. Here you got a 30 minutes candle, green and red, and on the 15 minutes time frame chart, you got 15 minutes green one and two red candles. And if we zoom out, we will be able to see 5 minutes candle. So within the 5 minutes, the market jumped, and then it needs roughly around 30 minutes to go to the very same level it all had begun. So right now it looks very bullish if you talk about the situation on the Bitcoin, right? So we got this spike to the upside here, we got this spike to the upside here. Nevertheless, it's still the range, the trading range that is being maintained these days. So what do we have here is of course the horizontal line. This is the line of the located roughly around 31,550 tethers. So this is the technical resistance and the top of the range. And if we move lower, we can see the low of the range located at 24,900. So this is the technical support, right? Red resistance, green support, everything is okay. If we just zoom out, you can clearly see that those levels worked in the past as a resistance. Now they are technical supports. You can add one more line here for the lows of the September 11. This is the September 11 low. So we got a very nice zone here, demand zone, of course. And from this lows here, we got the first spike to the upside, and then we got the fake news spike to the upside as well. So we need to mark this levels here. So 29,000 is here, and of course the beginning of the yesterday's candle is 27,098 tethers, and the local technical support is 26,596, and the other technical support eventually is located at 26,078 tethers. From the upside, you can maintain the range as well if you add some sort of the technical resistance levels. As you can see, those levels had been tested plenty of times already. We got at least 3 lines here, and we can even add one more line here, and even one more line. Let me just move it a little bit here for this spike up. So that range here between 30,929 and 31,550 is very well defended, right? So when we apply our, let's say, that's too much. When we apply our rectangle, okay, so you can clearly see that this range might be hard for the bulls to break through. Okay, so that's the key range, supply range on the daily time frame chart, and only if the market participants break out above this range, then the return to the uptrend is possible. Otherwise, any spikes inside of this range are not relevant, because those spikes are still related to the trading, to the whipsaw trading inside of the range. So very strong supply zone, supply range from the upside, and as you can see, we are still missing this upside here. The bulls are trying to do whatever they can in order to rally. Nevertheless, there is still situation when whether this rally is not possible. Basically, it's not possible. Why? Because this range is very strong, and any movement to the upside is being capped, and then of course the market reverses lower. So you can see it pretty clearly on the chart. 100 and 200 periods moving average bearish cross. Very interesting bearish cross has been noticed on the daily time frame chart, Bitcoin to Tether. And as you can see, 100 period moving average is the red one, 200 periods moving average is the green one. So we have the bearish cross, negative cross, whatever you want to call it. The point is that it adds a little bit of the information about the bearish pressure, which is still looking very, very strong. The bears are still pushing every spike to the upside by the bulls, and sooner or later we should see movement to the downside to extend. Please keep an eye on the technical support, because those technical support levels might be tested soon. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.